Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial of Electrical Pro, a software solution for the electrical engineers. It really helps a lot in technical projects, like making the difficult calculation part so easy to do, especially when you are facing a lot of calculus. So today we're gonna discover how Electrical Pro gonna solve the electrical problem in solar energy installation, like the solar pumping. So first of all, we're gonna show some example of problem that we could face in every solar project. As you know, a solar installation consists of two parts, a DC part and the EC part. So we're gonna see the calculation of the wire sizing and voltage drop in the EC part of the solar installation. Here is the first example. We have a solar inverter and the device that gonna consume the energy, which could be an immersed pump, for example. So we have to choose carefully the wire sizing so that the electrical wire does not heat up. In the calculation of the wire sizing and voltage drop, we're gonna use the voltage 480 volts and the amperage 21 amps and the length of the EC cable, which is 328 feet. The most important thing is we have to respect the voltage drop limitation default, which is 3% max. So we don't want to go above this value. The value of this voltage drop that we're gonna have in the end must be lower than 3% to respect the standards. So first of all, we have to clear so we can start over from the beginning. So we have to click on set and clear all. And then we have to check if we are in the three phases mode, because our installation is on three phases. So we're gonna click on set and then 3. And as you can see, we are in the three phases mode. And now we can start our calculation. So first of all, we have to enter the voltage, which is 480 volts. And then we have to enter the amperage, which is 21 amps. And finally, we have to enter the length of the EC cable, which is 328 feet. And now we're gonna click on the wire size so we can get the section of our EC cable. And as you can see, the wire size is 10 EWG. And if we want to check the voltage drop, we have to click on the VD person 2 times. And as you can see, we have 2.9%, which is inferior of 3%, the voltage drop limitation default. So our installation is correct.